Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Ryan, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the Integrated Master Schedule. What is an Integrated Master Schedule, or what we call IMS? An Integrated Master Schedule is a time-based schedule containing the networked, detailed tasks necessary to ensure successful program and contract execution. Pictured here is a typical Integrated Master Schedule you can find on any program. The schedule activities are listed on the left-hand column and the length for each activity is shown as a horizontal bar. This IMS was developed using a tool called Microsoft Project, but they can be developed using many different software tools. The IMS is a very important document since it is traceable to the Integrated Master Plan, Work Breakdown Structure, Statement of Work, Contractor Performance Report and Earned Value Management System. What is the purpose of the Integrated Master Schedule? The purpose of the IMS is to verify attainability contract objectives, evaluate progress toward meeting program objectives, and integrate the program schedule activities with all related components. The program manager develops an IMS on all cost or incentive contracts, subcontracts, government interagency acquisition work agreements, and other agreements valued at greater than $20 million. There are 4 steps associated with the development of an Integrated Master Schedule. These steps are: Step 1. Develop the Integrated Master Plan. Step 2. Develop the work breakdown structure based on the overall system's physical architecture, identifying all of the major systems and subsystems down to a configuration item level. Step 3. Define configuration item level in terms of calendar time and resources to complete. And finally, Step 4. Place developed system time and resources into scheduling software. How are the Integrated Master Schedule and Integrated Master Plan linked? The Integrated Master Schedule and Integrated Master Plan are linked together to show that a program is adequately planned and has the potential to achieve its goals and objectives within a program's schedule and cost constraints. The Integrated Master Plan is used as the foundation to develop the IMS. The IMP and IMS are valuable tools a program manager can use in preparing for a request for proposal and source selection. It can serve as the basis of an offeror's proposal and evaluation criteria. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Integrated Master Schedule. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations for finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.